Hey, Dr. Taylor here at NuSpine Chiropractic. And I wanted to address something. People have been watching these viral videos of these people just yanking on necks and calling it chiropractic. I'm going to tell you that's not what chiropractic is about. We try to be as specific and gentle here as possible. As a matter of fact, if you'll close your eye right now and push as hard as you can without it hurting, that's about 1 to 2 pounds of pressure. That's how much we use to adjust a neck. It's safe. It's painless. We hope to see you really soon. Have a great day.